Okay, guys, I thought I'd just come in and let you all see what I have been doing lately. I love indie polishes, but sometimes it can be quite expensive. So I decided to use what I have in my stash and to just make combinations of polishes that I have to make them look like indie polishes. So I have several glitter polishes, what you would call acrylic polishes, along with some metallic or cream polishes, just to get combinations of what I could see as a indie polish, but with what I have in my stash. So this first one, I'm going to use a clean color metallic yellow, and then I use the Call You Later from Sinful Colors, and I'm going to combine those two colors to make it look like an indie polish. And I think these polishes are going to turn out really great because they do give you that indie polish look without the indie price. So this is just an idea I just thought about, which I know a lot of people already do when they're doing their manicures, but I just wanted to just come in and show you some of the combinations that I came up with the polishes that I had in my stash. I hope you guys like this video. Like with this one, with the metallic yellow and the glitter polish with all of the glitter green, just that combination, I thought that was beautiful. Now I'm just using another metallic polish or metallic look polish that I had, and this is called Sapphire. I don't know why it's called Sapphire. It doesn't look like a sapphire to me, but anyway. And this beautiful glitter bomb from Sinful Colors. I've got a lot of glitter polishes that I don't normally use, and I said, let me just combine these with what I already have. And this is Holidays. I just think this is just a beautiful polish. And I just wanted to show you how it looks with these two polishes separately. This is a Revlon polish, and I believe it's called Mistletoe. So I'm going to start off first with Sapphire and apply that down, and then I will put the Holidays on top, and also Mistletoe. And that Mistletoe is such a rich and deep color. Now watch how this polish actually, this glitter bomb, just transform your base color. And I have seen some indie polishes look like these two examples, and I just said, oh wow, okay. and look how it looks so much different on the Sapphire. But like I said, I've seen so many indie polishes look like this, but you can, I know that this is less applications with the indie polishes, but look how wonderful they look with these color combinations. And sometimes you want to polish, but at that time you can't afford it, or you just don't have the funds at that time, or something else comes up. So until the meantime, you can create your own indie looking polishes. So now I'm going to use this purple that looks a more metallic purple, and then this LA Colors polish that I got in a recent haul. I thought this had so much dimension with all even though it has a clear base, but so many different shards and different size glitters. I thought it was just so pretty. So we're going to combine those two together. And a lot of times these are polishes that I don't normally gravitate to, but with putting these on as a topper, it just gives it just so much more beauty. and makes me want to go and pull these back out, use these glitters on them, and just make a beautiful mani with them. Here I started polishing and forgot to show you the polish. So in just a moment, I'll show you the actual color that I'm using, but it is a Sinful Colors polish. And here you go. And you can see the gold shimmer in it, the gold flash. And this is Mars Attracts. I don't normally gravitate to this polish, but look how I will transform it using this Sally Hansen Hard as Nail polish. And this is called Rockstar. Now look how gorgeous Rockstar Pink made this polish look. Oh my gosh. It just made it come to life. Now, I simply love this Multichrome polish from Paparazzi. I just love it, and I just had to find something to pair it with also. And I did, and that's with Sinful Colors. This time I decided not to use a base on this beautiful Multichrome polish. I wanted to show how that red will pull through on this particular polish, so I didn't put a black base. Normally I do, and you can. At this time I did not. So I did add a clear top coat to these, and I just want you all to let me know, what are your thoughts on this? Like I said, I know many of you do add toppers to your polishes, but I think a lot of these do look like indie polishes. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think. You guys be blessed. I will see you in the next video. And remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye guys.